Good evening, children. I am S.K. Misra, teacher of maths in DAV CCL Grade E. Today I am going to start the chapter Area of Triangle by Heron's formula. Student, we have learnt in earlier classes that area of triangle is half into base into height, half into b into h. This formula is used for that triangle when base and height both are given. A triangle whose base and height both are given, then we use for finding its area half into base into height. But when a triangle whose length of three sides are given but height is not given, how we find its area? Then we use Heron's formula for finding its area, and area of triangle is equal to S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now, what are ABC? If ABC is a triangle, then side opposite to vertex A is taken A, side opposite to vertex B is taken B, side opposite to vertex C is taken C, and S means here semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter, and perimeter of the triangle is A plus B plus C, sum of all three sides A plus B plus C by 2, and then area is equal to area of triangle. Triangle is equal to S minus A, S minus B and S minus C square root of this. And this is called Heron's formula for finding area of that triangle whose all three sides are given but height is not given. We have one question: find perimeter and area of a triangle whose sides are of length 52 cm, 56 cm, 60 cm. So obviously ABC all are given. A is here 52, B is 56, C is 60. S is equal to plus B plus C by 2 means sum of 52 plus 56 plus 60 by 2, it means 168 by 2, 84 cm. And perimeter means A plus B plus C, which is 168, so perimeter is 160 cm, 68 cm. And area is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S means 84 minus 50, 84 minus 56, 84 minus 60, and to 84 minus 50 to 32, 84 minus 50 is 28, and 84 minus 60 24, and 84 means 22 into 2 into 2, we factorize it, and 32 to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, 84, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 32, 2 2 ja 4 7 ja 28, and 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24. And here there are 12 twos, so we taking 6 twos when we remove the square root sign. So 6 twos, 2 out of 2 3 1 3 is taken, out of 2 7 1 7 is taken, and then their product is 1344 centimeter area, 1344 centimeter square. It means it is the area of triangle. If the length of sides of a triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5 and its perimeter is 144 centimeter, find the area of the triangle and the height of corresponding to the longest side. So let the side of triangle be 3x, 4x and 5x respectively. So 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 144, 12x, 144, x is 12, sides are A means 3x, 3 into 12, 36 centimeter, B is 4x, 4 into 12 centimeter, 48 centimeter, C is 5x, 5 into 12 centimeter, 60 centimeter, and S means semi-perimeter. Perimeter is given 144 by 2, 72 centimeter, and then area is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, 72 minus 36, 72 minus 48, and 72 minus 60, 72 into 36 into 24 into 12. So 12 6 are 72, 12 into 3 into 2, 12 3 are 36, 12 into 3, 12 2s are 24, 12. So out of 4 12, 2 12 is taken, out of 2 3 1 3 is taken, out of 2 2s 1 2 is taken. This is square root of all factors, and their product is 864 centimeters 864 centimeters square. Now area of triangle, we know that area of triangle is half into base into height. Here we have to find a length of height corresponding to the longest side. Longest side is here 60 centimeter. So half into 60 into h, and it is 864. To half into 60 into h, 230, so 30 h is equal to 864, h is equal to 864 by 30, and it is equal to 28.80 centimeter. Find it. ABC is here a isosceles triangle whose two sides AB and AC are equal, and both are taken A each, and base BC is base and taken B. So we know that when perpendicular drawn from vertex to the opposite side of an isosceles triangle, it bisects the base. So B by 2, B by 2, and AD is here hypotenuse perpendicular. AD is taken as perpendicular to BC. So AD square AB square minus BD square. So A square minus B by 2 square, A square minus B square by 4. 4A square, AD is half of 4A square minus B square. Now area of isosceles triangle half into B into H. H is here half of 4A square minus B square. So half into B into H means this. So B by 4, 4A square minus B square. Similarly, area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. Now we have a question. Find the area of an isosceles triangle, each of whose equal sides measure 13 centimeter and whose base measures 24 centimeter. Area of this triangle is equal to, we know that area of an isosceles triangle is B by 4 and the square root of 4A square minus B square. Here A is 13 centimeter, each of equal side is given 13, and base is 24 centimeter. So area is equal to B by 4 means 25, 4 by 4. 4A square, 4 into 13 square, minus B square means 24 square. So 4 6 are 24, 6, and 13 square 169, 4 are 676, 24 square means 576, and then 6 into square root of 100 means 6 into 10 centimeter square means 60 centimeter square. Sorry, 60 centimeter means centimeter square area. Area of an equilateral triangle is 36 root 3 centimeter. Find its perimeter. So area of an equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 into side square, and it is 36 root 3 centimeter square, or side square, then side square is equal to 36 root 3 into 4 by root 3, root 3 cancel, or side square is equal to then 36 4 ja 144 means 12 square, therefore side is equal to 12 centimeter. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD, in which ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is 24 centimeter, BAD angle, this angle is 90 degree, and ABCD is an equilateral triangle. BCD is an equilateral triangle, and BCD is an equilateral triangle having each side equal to 26 centimeter. Also find perimeter of the quadrilateral. First we have to find area of this triangle, quadrilateral. Here this quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. So first, for finding area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area triangle ABD plus area triangle BCD. So ABD is a right angle triangle whose base is not given, hypotenuse is given, and perpendicular is given. So AB square is equal to, obviously BD square hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square means 26 square minus 24 square, 676, 26 square, and 24 square 576, so is equal to 100 means 10 square. So therefore AB is equal to 10 centimeter. Now area triangle ABD is equal to half into base into height, because AB is a base and AD is a height. So half into base into height, so half into 10 into 24 centimeter square to 12 means 120 centimeter square. Here BCD is an equilateral triangle. We can use formula of equilateral triangle also, but we will find area of this triangle by the use of Heron's formula. So S is equal to, obviously, A plus B plus C by 2. Here all three sides are 26 each. तो 26 प्लस 26 प्लस 26 by 2, तो 52 प्लस 26 78 by 2 means 39 centimeter. And area triangle BCD is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, square root of this 39 minus 26, 39 minus 26, 39 minus 26, to 39 into 13 into 13 into 13, to 3 into 13 into 13 into 13 into 13 means 13 into 13 root 3 centimeter square, 169 root 3 centimeter square. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area triangle ABD plus area triangle BCD, and this is 120 plus 169 root 3 centimeter square. We know that root 3 means 1.732. If we multiply 169 by 1 point, root 3 is equal to 1.732. We can use it, we multiply and then add it with it, we will find the area of triangle. Now perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD, it is bounded by 4 line segment. So AB is 10 centimeter, 10 plus 26 plus 26 plus 24 centimeter, 52 plus 34, 52 plus 34, 86 centimeter. Thank you.